Welcome. In front of me is an LG G8X, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to begin, simply hold power key. Once you see the two options, you want to hold power off. When you hold it for about a second, it will switch to safe mode, giving you the message to turn on safe mode. This phone will restart and certain apps will be unavailable to help troubleshoot the phone. In other words, it basically disables majority of the apps that you have pre-installed, just so you can see if some app might be causing you problems with the device, or if, for instance, your phone is the problem, so some damage happened to it. So simply tap on turn on. This will initiate the reboot, and once the device is back on, it will be then back in the, or not back, but it will be then in safe mode. And there we go. As you can see, now the device is in safe mode based on this message right here. And if we unlock it, we should see that things like weather and Google feed or Google search is disabled as a widget. And majority of other apps will also be disabled from starting up right now. So that is how you boot your device into safe mode. And once you're ready to leave it, simply hold power key. And this time tap on power off and restart. Confirm by tapping restart and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.